In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, silence reigns supreme. Here, the anaconda is king.
In the heart of the Amazon, a silent ruler is born.
A newborn anaconda, fragile and alone, yet destined for greatness. As it grows, the river becomes its armor, and the jungle becomes its kingdom.
It waits, silent as death, and strikes with unstoppable force.
The green anaconda can reach 30 feet and weigh more than 200 kilos.
From one mother, dozens are born, but only the strongest survive.
And so, the legend continues. The silent king of the Amazon, the anaconda.